Hey guys. So today I'm going to be taking you guys around with me as I am doing my stuff that I do. I am under quarantine, obviously, so I'm not going anywhere, but I am stuck at home and I'll be showing you what I've been doing to keep busy. Also, I want to say my school isn't starting online school until April 13th, so I'm not doing any school yet. Yeah, so we're basically gonna have a month off of school before they require us to do stuff. So first I'm just gonna go get dressed and then I'll be back. So now I'm dressed, obviously, and first I'm gonna start the day. I already have a banana. I'm going to play Civilization 6 on the Switch. So let's go. Oh. Charlie. Charlie. So today I think I'm gonna play it on here because why not? I usually just play it on the TV, but I feel like I should try it on here because I haven't, but I am today. Also, what you just saw was dogs. We just got a puppy like 2 months ago, I would say. And Charlie we got in July. He's 2, but he has a puppy brain. Yeah.
Don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just want.
Hi, Kona. Hi, Kona. Aww, my puppy. Hi, Ben.
She won't come inside.
Kona, you want a treat? You want a treat, Kona?
Feeling so down. Fuck.
Kona, you want a treat?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah.
Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
Okay, so I got Kona inside with a treat, and Charlie also got a treat, and then they came in here, and now I'm just going to finish my game. I mean, I'm probably not going to finish it because it takes like forever, but I'm going to continue to play it. So now my mom and I are gonna make this lemon bread, and so I'm gonna change into something more comfortable. Okay, so let's get this bread. My grandparents came and brought us some fresh bread, which is really good, so thanks. And they made masks for everyone at my house, so I'm all set now. This is what the mask looks like. I think it's really nice, and I really like the fabric. It's yellow, and I like that it has a wire in it, and it also has a pocket so you can put a filter in it. So that's pretty nice. So thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, if you're watching this. Thanks. Now we're gonna make some lemon bread.
Puppies, calm yourself. Stop. Ah! Come on. What do you attack me for? Charlie! Aww.
So the bread is done, and my mom actually made 5 loaves because she doubled it, and then she realized that she wanted to give some to my grandma and my other grandparents. So we're getting rid of 2 of those, and then we're gonna have 3 at my house because there's 6 people, so we'll go through it fast. So she decided to make another batch, so now there's 5 loaves. And so now there's like syrup and icing on some of them, and hopefully it tastes good. I don't think we're gonna eat it right now because the ones that are finished are going to my grandparents' houses. It smells really good, so yeah, let's go check it out. Luna won't come inside again. She likes to sit outside and just lay there or eat sticks or dirt.
Isn't that right, Kona? Isn't that right? Isn't that right?
The lid's on, but I'm gonna take it off.
So that lemon bread was actually pretty good. The icing was like good. It was nice and moist, so I'm glad my mom made more of it because we already ate like I think almost a whole loaf, and then we're gonna bring some to my grandparents' houses. So yeah, now I'm in my room, obviously, and I'm gonna do some reading. So I'm gonna read this book that I'm reading. You can't really tell what it is because I took the cover thing off. It is The Dragon Reborn by Robert Jordan, and it's in the Wheel of Time series. I'm on chapter 3, I think. I'm on chapter 4 now, but this is book 3. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do some reading because I got time. So I was reading, and then my family and I all went to my grandparents' houses to give them the bread that we made and visit, you know, because we haven't been seeing each other that much because, you know, we're trying to stay separated because my grandparents are older. And yeah, so anyway, we went to their houses and now we just came home and the dogs are getting fed, and then we're all gonna go on a walk. So we got back from our walk a while ago, and I sort of forgot to record because I was riding a scooter. Anyway, we took the dogs for a walk and they loved it, and then we came home, had dinner. I had a quesadilla, then I was watching TV with my parents. So that's basically all I've been doing. Now I'm going to read some more and drink my smoothie that my brother made. Yeah, so then after this, I'm going to go play Minecraft with my siblings. Currently, it is 10:20, and then after that, I'm probably gonna go to bed. I hate waking up after 9 because it feels like such a waste of time. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a fun video to film. I liked getting all the different angles, the different everything, Hopefully you guys liked it. If you do, please comment down below and like this video so that I know to make more of these in the future. And yeah, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros.